What is data science? Data science for beginners or introduction to data science? Data science can be simplified in definition as a broad term for methodologies of collecting, processing, visualizing data, and making use of information for various purposes. It is multidisciplinary and covers a wide range of interest areas. Hey, make sure to subscribe to this channel for career empowerment in data science. Also known as the uniform concept of statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and other methods to analyze, understand, and predict data outcomes. It has immensely influenced businesses, economics, government, finance, academics, and medical researches. Most often, it is used interchangeably with concepts such as predictive modeling, statistics, big data, business analytics, and business intelligence. Applications of data science. Data science has played a major role in these categories. 1. Big data analytics. 2. Robotics engineering. 3. Healthcare data for predictive analysis. 4. Search engine results refining. 5. Smarter sales. 6. Image recognition. 7. Speech recognition. 8. Airline flight planning. 9. Fraud and risk detection. 10. Business logistics. 11. Driverless cars. 12. Business analytics. 13. Predicting weather forecast. 14. Virtual assistant for patients and customer support business logistics. 15. Gaming. 16. Research data. Like, share, comment, and make sure to subscribe to this channel for career empowerment in data science.